Take the yarn in your right hand, wrap it around your left hand, pinch the tail with your fingers to just hold it in place. Put your thumb on the working yarn to hold it in place. Pick up your crochet hook, face it away from you, slide it under your magic ring, and hook it over the working yarn. Pull through, twist, push the hook up, let go of the working yarn, and scoop it with your hook. Now move your thumb down here to pinch and hold the magic ring in place, and slide, oh, I lost the yarn, slide through the loop. Now we're going to tighten, but I'm just pushing my fingers apart a little bit, and I'm going to pull that working yarn with my thumb. Now you have a magic ring with a slip knot on it. We're going to make 6 single crochets around the magic ring. So you rotate your hook under the magic ring and pull under the working yarn. Now push the working yarn over your hook and pull through both loops. Let's do that again. Your hook goes underneath the magic ring. You pull your working yarn through. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to pick up the working yarn again, rotate, and pull through both loops. That's the second single crochet. Hook goes under, pull around a loop from the working yarn, pick up the working yarn again, and pull through both loops. That's 3. Under, pull up a loop, pick up the yarn again, and pull through both loops. Under, pull up a loop, pick up the working yarn again, and pull through both. Go under, pull up a loop, grab the working yarn again, and pull through both loops. I'm going to pull that loose so that it doesn't unravel on me, and I can tighten it later. Let's count our stitches. We're looking for the V's again. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is in here, but it's getting kind of buried. So to deal with that, I want you to just take this was the slip knot, just loosen it a little bit, just give it a little tug, and then see that stitch is now visible. And a hack you can do is just slide your crochet hook through that first stitch, and then when you go down to tighten this magic ring, you'll still be able to access this stitch later on. So, how do we tighten this down? My preferred method is just to give this tail a little tug, and I see which of these 2 loops start moving, which was this one, and I'm then going to pick up the one that was moving and pull it tight, and the first loop will disappear. Then I'll pick up the tail again and pull it tight. And that is your 6 stitches on a magic ring.